Well, this is for the people of Knightdale. It is an amenity for them to gather and come watch events. What we've seen is these are the things that people want in their communities moving forward. What is going on right now are the site finishes. You're seeing concrete, you're seeing asphalt go down. They're also working on the building itself, drying it in, putting the siding on, finishing the roofing, and they're also putting in a good deal of sod out in the open area. The intended purpose is to be the formal location of the farmers market. From there, they're available for programming for events, for vendors, to give a permanent home versus parking on the street. That is the beginnings of what will be an open-air amphitheater. So you're seeing the feel and the shape of the grassy lawn where concerts can be put on. We won't have a permanent stage at this point, but we have the ability to set up temporary stages, a lot like what we did for the July 4th. This does offer a central gathering place for folks outside of the playgrounds, but this phase ties into our walking trails, and it will be available for just general use and picnicking when it isn't there with a programmed use. This phase of the project is building some parking. Future phases will allow for additional parking in the Phase 2 area.
This section of the park is right next to our athletic fields and our playground, and just a stone's throw from our walking and running paths and the new dog park. When this phase is complete in late summer, early autumn, the people of Knightdale will have a great new central gathering spot for lots of activities.